Hi, I'm Gary and welcome to my shop. In this quick video, quick tip video on how to replace the power switch on the Ridgid R4512 table saw. My switch failed, I had to replace it, and I'll show you how I got it, where I got it from, how I installed it, and once I figured it all out, the entire process of doing it, replacing the switch anyway, you have to wait a few days to get the part in from Amazon. But it is available on Amazon. So the entire process of changing out the switch is maybe 5 minutes at the most. So faster than me telling you about it. So, all right, so let's get to it. So my power switch on my table saw here failed. It's an Ridgid R4512. And I've done a lot of videos in different modifications I've done to this table saw, including putting in that router table in the extension wing. And so I thought there's a lot of R4512s out there people are using. If you're like me, I don't know how many years it's been I've had this, about 8, 9 years. The switch finally went on me, and how I found out, just quit working. So I thought I tripped a circuit or something, and I didn't. So I started testing the power coming in through the cord and the wall outlet, and I took the switch out of the box here and tested the wires, power wires coming into this, and found out there was no power coming into those either. I'm checking this all out with a multimeter. So then I took the switch out, and it's in this contraption here. It's this little box like this is, and tested the continuity with the switch on and checked the continuity between these poles to find out if they were good. And one set of poles was not. It was not getting any continuity at all. So that means the circuit can't complete and the power can't go on down to the motor and spin the motor, which spins the blade. So I ordered a replacement, got it in 2 days from Amazon. I'll put a link down below to where you can get the switch at. It worked perfect for me. The spades even fit correctly on the connectors. I didn't have to file them down or anything to get them to fit. They just fit right in. And changing this out is real easy. It's I'll put some pictures up here too. There's some prongs on these that you push down on, and when you push them into the box, these will catch and hold it in place in this. So it's a matter of pushing these in. They can be a little bit stiff. Kind of work it. Okay, now it's coming. Comes right out. Put the new one in. It just slips right in. Just like that. Perfect fit for everything. It's there. All I got to do is connect the wires again. Stick it back in the box. Put it back together. Put the 4 screws in to hold this in place. And I should be ready to go. So I'll get that put back together and come back and show you how it works. Okay, I've got that put back together here. The switch is in and ready to go. I got it plugged back into the power again. So I pull the switch here and the blade should spin. So perfect. That was an easy repair. That when it happened, I was really wondering, okay, how easy is it going to be to find a switch and how difficult is it going to be to install? It's really easy. It takes probably less than 5 minutes to change it out. The only thing is determining that it's the switch for sure and not your motor, and of course your power supply. Okay, now in some other videos coming up here in the future sometime, I'm going to be doing a video on this Incra TSLS fence system that I got. Got this, ordered it last spring and finally got it installed here a couple of months ago. Still in the process of tweaking things and so forth and learning about it. And I'll be doing a video on this coming up soon. And I'll show you how all this works. It also comes with the Wonder Fence for the router table part here. All I got to do is pick this up, spin it around, and then this fence here has a few attachments that go on it. It gives me a router table fence. And also a support for tall objects too, like doors and stuff. And I'll show you some of those in that video coming up too. So this vent system works great. It exceeded my expectations. It really works great. Wow. So that's it for this video. Getting this switch replaced for the table saw. Quick and easy. So if you enjoyed this video and you got something out of it, please give me a like and hit that thumbs up icon. Also, subscribe if you're not already. Please subscribe and hit that bell icon too so you won't miss anything. And please share it with your family, friends, and fellow craftspersons. Thank you.